Senior officials of Indian Council of Medical Research have said that it would take at least 2 more years to develop a vaccine against COVID-19. But recent studies said that India, China and America has already discovered a new 3:1 vaccine, and they have already experimented, which showed that in China out of 4 patients, 3 patients have already recovered. So let's study how India has prepared for this. National Institute of Virology. Under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, which is one of the premier institute in Asia, equipped with dedicated team of scientists, technical experts, have discovered numerous vaccines for rotavirus, Japanese encephalitis, Siremian Congo fever, Cassandra disease, Nipah, Zika, measles, chikungunya, dengue, influenza, polio, etc. Immunity is temporary or permanent is determined by biological agent which is used in vaccine. See, generally most vaccines are developed by using the disease causing microorganism itself. For example, in case of COVID-19, disease causing organism is SARS coronavirus 2. Itself would be used to develop a vaccine, but such a vaccine will not make us sick because the organisms which have been used would have been inactivated or weakened by using a chemical or a heat radiation. The idea behind such vaccine is to expose our immune system to these weakened pathogens so that our immune system start recognizing them as a threat and starts producing the required antibodies. So essentially the objective is to train our immune system. For example, if you look at a polio vaccine, it contains the polio virus itself, but the viruses would have been weakened or inactive in order to ensure that the vaccine does not affect the person. So when our immune system is exposed such a weakened versions of a bacteria and viruses, it starts learning how to identify them and it starts producing the antibodies. So when the immune system is taught by using the microorganism itself, it starts recognizing threat and it starts fighting against the pathogen. So such acquired immunity is of permanent nature. Once you are vaccinated for polio, your body can fight the infectious throughout your life. Similarly, the toxins produced by our pathogen can isolate it and it can be used as an agent in development of the vaccine. Or now you can use the surface protein of a pathogen or a genetic material such as mRNA of the pathogen, and they can be used as an agent in the development of vaccines. So vaccines developed by using such a live agents will provide us a permanent immunity, but to extract such active agents, first we need to isolate the bacterial strain or the virus strain in case of a SARS coronavirus. The Indian Council of Medical Research has successfully isolated the strain and process of vaccine development has already begun. But the entire process of development, production, clinical trials would be taking at least some more weeks. Then another approach to development of the vaccine is using of the antibodies itself. Such vaccines are known as antibody based vaccine instead of using a live microorganism or a part of it. The antibodies which can fight against this microorganism is directly infected into the body and it provides us with a temporary immunity to fight against the disease. We know our country